PRINTS database. The PRINTS database houses a collection of protein fingerprints which may be used to assign family and functional attributes to uncharacterized sequences, such as those currently emanating from the various genome sequencing projects. The April 2002 release includes 1,700 family fingerprints encoding approximately 10,500 motifs covering a range of globular and membrane proteins, modular polypeptides, and so on. Fingerprints are groups of conserved motifs that, taken together, provide diagnostic protein family signatures. They derive much of their potency from the biological context afforded by matching motif neighbors. This makes them at once more flexible and powerful than single motif approaches. The technique further departs from other pattern matching methods by readily allowing the creation of fingerprints at superfamily, family, and subfamily specific levels, thereby allowing more fine-grained diagnosis. Identification of protein families. At the heart of the analysis methods that underpin family databases is the multiple sequence alignment. When building an alignment as more distantly related sequences are included, insertions are often required to bring equivalent parts of adjacent sequences into the correct register as shown in the image on the screen. The figure on the screen gives an overview of the three main sequence analysis approaches and the databases to which they give rise. Single motif methods that exploit regular expressions underpin ProCyte and eMotif, multiple motif approaches that use either identity or weight matrices are the basis of prints and blocks, and full domain methods that exploit either absolute or probabilistic scores underpin profiles and PFAM. As a result of this gap insertion process, islands of conservation emerge from a backdrop of mutational change. These conserved regions, typically around 10 to 20 residues in length, tend to correspond to the core structural or functional elements of the protein and are commonly termed motifs. Database format. PRINTS is built as single ASCII2 file. The contents are separated into specific fields relating to general information, bibliographical references, text, lists of matches, and the motifs themselves. Each line of a field is assigned a distinct two-letter code, allowing the database to be indexed for fast querying of its contents. In the general field at the top of the file, each entry is assigned a code by which it can be identified and an accession number. This is followed by a description of the type of entry. The term compound indicates that the fingerprint contains several elements, the number of constituent motifs being indicated in parentheses. The details of the creation and latest update information are then given, followed by a descriptive title and cross references to entries in a variety of other databases such as Interpro and PDB. A list of bibliographical references is then provided. This relates to a detailed abstract of the family that describes its function and structure, its disease associations, evolutionary relationships, and so on. Every abstract also contains a technical description of how the fingerprint was derived. This image shows the user interface of PRINTS database. Current release. PRINTS is released in major and minor versions. Minor releases reflect updates bringing the contents in line with the current version of the source database. Major releases denote the addition of new material to the resource. Major releases are made quarterly, each release including 50 new families. To date, 1,700 fingerprints encoding 10,342 motifs have been developed and deposited in PRINTS, making it the most comprehensive, fully manually annotated protein family database available. Nevertheless, overall, the database is still small relative to the number of protein families that exist, largely because the detailed documentation of entries is extremely time consuming. Search tools. There are two main tools available for searching PRINTS: a BLAST server, which allows similarity searches against sequences matched in the current version of the database, and the fingerprint scan suite, which allows sequence searches against fingerprints contained in the current release. This is an important distinction as the different search tools offer fundamentally different perspectives on sequence similarity. BLAST identifies generic similarities between sequences within a family and cannot recognize individual family traits, while fingerprints pinpoints the subtle differences that differentiate closely related family members. A particular strength of prints is that its motifs are stored in the form of ungapped local alignments. An important consequence of storing the motifs in this raw form is that, unlike with regular expressions or other abstractions, no sequence information is lost. Different scoring methods may be superposed onto the motifs, conferring different scoring potentials and hence different perspectives on the same data. Pattern databases provide powerful tools for analyzing uncharacterized sequence data, in particular by placing individual sequences in a family context for a more informed assessment of function than is possible with conventional pairwise searches. While there is some overlap between them, the contents of the family databases differ. It is therefore good practice to search all available repositories to ensure that one's analysis is as comprehensive as possible and that it takes advantage of a variety of search methods. Where there is consensus, diagnosis can be made with greater confidence. Together, PRINTS and PRINTS-S are thus complementary tools that facilitate genome annotation and greater depth to sequence analysis by offering both unique hierarchical diagnosis and new ancestral perspectives on protein family relationship. NDB, or the Nucleic Acid Database. The Nucleic Acid Database, or NDB, is a web portal providing access to information about 3D nucleic acid structures and their complexes. In addition to primary data, the NDB contains derived geometric data, classification of structures and motifs, standards for describing nucleic acid features, as well as tools and software for the analysis of nucleic acids. A variety of search capabilities are available, as are many different types of reports. The Nucleic Acid Database was founded in 1991 to assemble and distribute structural information about nucleic acids. In addition to primary structural data that are contained in the archival protein data bank, the NDB contains annotations specific to nucleic acid structure and function, as well as tools that enable users to search, download, analyze and learn more about nucleic acids. Nucleic Acid Database is thus a value-added database providing services specifically for the nucleic acid community. When the NDB was first established, the focus was on DNA structural biology. As more RNA structures have been determined, tools and annotations were developed to address the features of these molecules. The NDB seeks to be a central source for nucleic acid structural information and annotations that evolves with the science. NDB data content. The NDB contains primary structural information about nucleic acid containing structures obtained from the PDB, as well as classifications and derived data. Manually annotated nucleic acid classifications, as well as derived and calculated data regarding structural features of RNA, are managed separately from the primary structure entries. These data are recorded and stored as external reference files, or ERFs. Primary structural information. The primary data obtained from the corresponding PDB structure entries include experimental files, identifiers, structural descriptions, citations, crystal data, coordinate information, and details regarding crystallization, data collection, and structure refinement. Nucleic acid classifications. Annotations specific to nucleic acid and the molecules to which they are bound are provided. Nucleic acid annotations include nucleic acid type and conformation structure description and secondary structure. Some functional information about the bound proteins as well as drug binding modes is also offered. Derived data. Derived structural features such as bond distances, angles, torsions and base morphology are calculated from the coordinate data and stored in the searchable database. Information on RNA structural features include pairwise nucleotide interactions for each RNA structure, equivalence classes, and NR sets of RNA structure files and RNA 3D motifs extracted from structures are also added. RNA pairwise interactions. Pairwise interactions between RNA nucleotides are annotated using FR3D for RNA base pairing and base stacking interactions and as described. Growth of the number of nucleic acid structures in the PDB. This figure illustrates the nucleic acid database search engine. Search is available separately for DNA and RNA structures. Users can create a set of entries by constraining particular predefined data attributes in several categories. Following a preliminary search, users can add selection constraints from additional categories to further narrow their searches. DNA search. Selection options are organized under the headings polymer, protein function, structural features, and experimental method. Polymer. Select structures based on polymer composition such as DNA only, protein DNA complexes, drug DNA complexes, hybrids, chimera, and peptide nucleic acid mimetics. Protein function. Narrow the search based on the type of protein found in the protein DNA complex, enzyme, structural protein, regulatory protein, or other classification. Structural features. Find structures based on secondary structure and conformation types. Options include single-stranded, A form, B form or Z form DNA, double helices, triple or quadruple helices, and other double helical structures. Experimental method. Select the experimental method used to determine the structure by X-ray crystallography or NMR. RNA search. The polymer, protein function, and experimental method selection categories present options similar to those provided for DNA searches. RNA type. Search various RNA functional types such as tRNAs, rRNAs, riboswitches, or ribozymes. NR list. Restrict the RNA search to the representative members of equivalence classes that constitute the NR RNA structure set.